riding down that plain, and Lord, it's coming to take my name. Lord, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you.
Good, thanks. Excellent, thank you.
Down that line, way down that line. Can hear that train pounding on my brain, and you were rocking and reeling too. Yeah, you were rocking and reeling too.
Welcome back to Chris from the Hagon factory. So this week we're off to the Bendigo swap meeting. It's at the Prince of Wales Showgrounds in Bendigo, over 1,700 sites, and it's meant to be the largest swap meeting in Australia. And it was packed. There was plenty of people there. We've got plenty of footage for you to have a look at. So in the past, the Prince of Wales Showground was also known as the Golden City International Raceway. Speedway track, cars and bikes. So what I've actually done in this video, there's lots of photos of solo speedway bikes, and you'll really enjoy it. Back in the day, early 70s, I'd say, most of the photos. All the photos, I'd say, were taken by Herb Lummis, and I'd like to thank Herb for that. And I'd like to thank all the blokes who sent in the photos so we can put them up today. We've got Steve Knight, we've got Max Engeliner, we've got Noel Sands and Dave English, and I'd really like to thank them for that. It's really made this video.
Hear that train pounding on my brain. It's coming to take me away. And Lord, it's coming to take me away. Can hear that horse riding down that plain, and Lord, it's coming to take my name. Lord, it's coming to take my name. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime. And you were rocking and reeling too. Yeah, you were rocking and reeling too. Can see your face all around this place, and Lord, it's making me cry again. Lord, it's making me cry again. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line. Way down that line. I see that train and it looks lonely. I see that train and it looks lonely. I see that train and it looks lonely. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Yeah, yeah. Lonely, yeah, yeah. Dreaming of places, wide open spaces. I've been suffocating here too long. I can't afford ya, California. I'll get to you sometime. Way down that line. Way down that line. Way down that line. Way down that line.
Empty bottles and wasted time. I got nothing to show for all my wasted time, except the trouble, worried mind. I got nothing to show for wasted time. Hard living, it don't come cheap. The stakes are high and the price is steep when you're in deep with hard living. You're playing for keeps. Living poor out on the fringes, motel benders, cocaine binges. The doors are closing, coming off the hinges, when hard living has got you in its clinches. Old habits are hard to kick when you got demons to drown and a mind to trick. You're falling quick when hard living has got you in its grips. Playing your heart out, traveling hard in truck stop diners, small town bars, with pretty much nothing but a few blues harps. Hard living, don't care who you are. the stakes are high and the price is steep when you're in deep with hard living. You're playing for keeps.
Everyone's running like they stole a dream. Images of magazines. Take your chance while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass, watching how nothing lasts. The streets are filled with a hollow glow. The bellies ache where shallow hungers grow. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows older, we all just wanna start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promised land. Where do you hide on a quiet night when your fears are nestled by your side? The TV screen burns too bright. You sit and talk, a ghost behind your eyes. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows colder, we all just wanna start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promised land.
One of these days we'll give back the time we borrowed. One of these nights I won't worry about tomorrow. And one of these moments will stick in my mind. And one of these afternoons, I swear, we'll get up and we'll leave this time. We'll never make it very far. I like you riding in my car with your banjo on your knee. I like you singing my songs back to me. I'm trying to stay between the lines that you read on my palms. I'm a man on fire. I'm a man on fire, and and I'm trying to stay calm. It's funny how life is what you give and what you take. It's funny how waiting around is just another big mistake. It's funny how everything's a circle, coming back again. So we laugh at ourselves when we pass ourselves coming round the bend. We never make it very far. I like you riding in my car with your banjo on your knee. I like you singing my songs back to me. I'm trying to stay between the lines that you read on my palms. I'm a man on fire. I'm a man on fire. And I'm driving around this town trying to put the flames out. When the sun goes down, you know I'm doused in doubt. But I think that you're the only one who will be keeping me cool tonight. Tonight. Never make it very far. Like you're riding in my car with your banjo on your knee. I like you singing my songs back to me. Trying to stay between the lines that you read on my palms. I'm a man on fire. I'm a man on fire. And I'm trying to stay calm. People in the valley, they don't understand what makes and takes the breaks and forsakes a man. People in the valley, they don't understand the hands which built the roads and shoveled coal. Seeds were sown, dews were rolled, but goddamn didn't go to plan. I've been trying my best to be a working man. When dark clouds come, my love, she cries, she cries, she cries, she cries, she cries. Miss mountain sky, tell me why do I have to try so hard to get by? I've been eking out, seeking out, just scraping as I go. Tell me, how did I hit this all-time low? Mama in the valley, she's been so worried. Come on down from that wretched land and please hurry.
Righto, don't forget the Nully Swap Meet's coming up first weekend of December. Get on board, we're going to be there. We've already told you that. Now, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everyone. Let's bring Hagon's back.
Oh, oh.